How to fix unable to change country or region in App Store on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles on changing country or region in App Store, here are some fixes that should help. First and foremost, make sure to spend any remaining Apple ID balance. Check if you have any remaining balance in your Apple ID. To do so, head over to the device settings. Then after tap on your name, which is the Apple ID banner. Tapping on it, scroll down a bit and go to Media and Purchases. Once you tap on Media and Purchases, go to View Account. Then after, you can check for the Apple ID balance. If there is a balance, spend it or use it up before changing your country. Similarly, if there are any active subscriptions, it can block country changes as well. So for this as well, go to subscriptions and cancel any active subscriptions and wait for them to expire. If this does not help, first of all, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in again. Now that you try to change the country again, it should help. Also make sure your payment method is valid in the new country. In order to do so, you'll have to go to Payment and Shipping. After that, choose your credit or the debit card and update all the details. Also make sure the billing address is correct, and after that, you can try to switch the country again. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.